And you're happy to be filmed?
Yes.
Brilliant, cool. What's your name?
Paula.
Paula. What is it we need to fix, Paula?
Getting to where I need a knee replacement.
Right, okay.
So, for example, last week I needed a stick to walk with it, and this week it's a little better, and it goes like that.
Right. Now, so the surgeon is saying he can get you completely better. I've already said that to one person tonight, haven't I, off camera, but this one's being said on camera. That's even more exciting. Right, because they're not going to have something come out of my mouth that's wrong, are they? Because I'd look really stupid and people wouldn't trust me. Do you see what I mean? So when they say, I can say you're going to be completely better, that's really, I'm right excited then. It's good. Cool. Right. Right, okay. Right, so what happens? So I get to describe what's happening, and this hand at the moment is going up and down the knee, and it's usually what happens, it'll go up and down, then it'll go side to side, and then it'll go at a diagonal. But at the moment it's just doing an up and down, and it's like checking out the knee in all dimensions. So we are made of energy. Now, Newtonian physics were made of atoms and molecules. Quantum physics were made of strings and quarks and electrons. You know, it's a whole different ballgame, and our what we call conventional medicine has yet to catch up with quantum physics. This healing that I'm doing works because our whole body is made of energy. I am not trying to fix Paula. That would be my ego. My only thing is to be an instrument for the divine, to bring through the energy that Paula needs to fix and then strengthen that knee. Right, Paula, if you'd like to stand up, try walking around, notice how that knee feels.
Did you hear that click?
Yes, yeah. That's quite common after I've done healing. Often joints will just click into the right place. How does it feel as you walk on it?
Yeah, okay. I mean, I can't straighten it properly, but...
Right.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, when you say you can't straighten it, as in out that way?
Yeah, at the back.
All right, cool. Right, so sit down again. As we go through tonight, you'll hear different kinds of sound. That was a very pure sound. That one's designed to heal, fix. Sometimes within the sound there'll be a little like a cackle. But ongoing, I can't even make myself make the sound, but it's like a long, thin cackle, and that means it's clearing stuff out. Right, try standing again, Paula. See how you're getting on straightening the knee. Walk around a bit, yeah. Is that straightening now? Isn't that weird? These guys might be, this might be for real. Isn't that weird?
It's weird, yeah.
It is weird.
Yeah.
How does it feel inside?
All right, I mean, it's swollen, so I can feel the, like, water sort of fluid inside it, but it's, yeah.
It's straightening now, isn't it?
Yeah.
That was just less than 1 minute. He used just the right sound to straighten the knee. It's unreal, isn't it? This?
Yeah.
And this is why I face so much scepticism, because our brain says, well, that can't be possible. She's not touched the body, she's not injected it, but it is for real, and I've been doing it for 24 years. But I've been doing it in New Zealand, and that's why haven't we heard of you before? Why have the doctors not heard of you? Because I've lived in New Zealand. Do you hear any news in New Zealand? Do you know who our Prime Minister is? Jacinda. Yeah, she's lovely. Right, that's pretty good then.
Yeah,
Right,
good.
now swelling, the body swells when there's something there that needs protecting, but just walk a bit more because I think he's got that better.
Can you do anything with the menopause?
I sure can. It's in that jar as you came in the door, I kid you not. Cool.
Yeah.
I think you're fixed.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, cool. Give her a round of applause.